Here I have myPhone Go, and let me show you how to enter the recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here. Let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you need to use the following combination: power key and volume up. So let's hold down together these two keys, power key and volume up. Keep holding both keys. Release all keys as soon as myPhone logo pops up on the screen. As you can see, the no command picture pops up, so it means that you have to start holding power key and press volume up once. That's it. This is the Android system recovery. Here, as you can see, you can read some information about your software, or you may here navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So here you can choose reboot to bootloader. You can apply update from the ADB. You can also apply update by using the SD card. You can accomplish the hard reset operation by choosing wipe data factory reset. You can wipe cache partition, so remove the temporary cache files. You can backup user data or restore user data. If you would like to, you can also check root integrity, mount and system, view recovery logs, or simply run graphic test. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose power off, the last option, or the first one, so the reboot system now. Let's press power key to confirm it, and the myPhone Go is restarting and booting into a normal mode. Excellent, as you can see, the home screen just pops up, so it means that the device is in normal mode. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.